Today I'm going to show you how to allow people who have your phone number to find you on X, formerly known as Twitter. This is a quick privacy and a discoverability setting that can make it easier for people who already know your number to find your account. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple X and Twitter tutorials. Let's get started. First, open x.com and make sure you're signed into the account you want to change. Once you're on the home screen, look at the left navigation bar and click on More. This is where X keeps a lot of the extra settings and account options that are not shown in the main menu. After you click More, a menu will appear. From that menu, choose Settings and Privacy. This is where you can manage your account privacy, security, notifications, and other important preferences. Now, on the Settings and Privacy page, click Privacy and Safety. This section controls how people interact with your account and what information X can use to help others discover you. Next, click Discoverability and Contacts. This is the area where X manages how people can find your profile using things like your email address, phone number, and contact information. Once you're inside Discoverability and Contacts, look for the option that says, Let people who have your phone number find you on X. Toggle this setting on. When it's enabled, people who already have your phone number in their contacts may be able to find your X account more easily. And that's it. You've now turned on the setting that allows people who have your phone number to find you on X. If you found this useful, please like the video and subscribe for more quick step-by-step tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.